Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change your Discord username. So before, uh, Discord had a username with tags like the hashtag, then the four numbers after it, but after the update, Discord will prompt you to change your username, which will remove the tags and the numbers, or the hashtag. So first, you'd want to go to your user settings here, on the gear icon right here, click on that. Once you've clicked on that, go to your account on the My Account section. As you can see, here's your display name. So you could add your display name. So you could just click on this edit. Oops, you click on this edit button right here to change your display name just like so. And if you want to change your username, you just click on this one, the edit also. Under the display name here is a username. So as you can see, there's no tags needed. You could just go with any username that you want or anything that is available. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.